Now in this page we will learn that after the incident both the condition is very tensionized, and both all realize that it was the very critical situation in which Vasanti saved the life of Tara. After that, all thanks to Vasanti, Tara especially told this, and after that, the moment will be easier. Then, after again, Tara wanted to be the friend of Vasanti. Now, in this time, officially, she is now the friend of Vasanti, and Vasanti also accepted. And now, in this time, Tara was only thinking about that how she will repay the life of her own, because Vasanti saved the life of Tara, and Tara wanted that she will repay it with the help that she will not be number one in the competition, and she will do such kind of things through which Vasanti will be the winner. And she shared this thing also to her Miradi. Then Miradi was shocked to listen that Tara don't want to be the winner. She was interested to make Vasanti as a winner. But Miradi convinced Tara that you represent your school, your state, so you don't have to lose yourself in any way. Only you have to give your best so that the competition will be justified. So something, the discussion between of Miradi and Tara was discussed in this matter, that don't lose your participation because you are representing your school and state. Now in this part, the final competition started, in which the competition started as with the song of the Tara, in which Tara sang a bhajan that is based on Rag Kalyan. Everybody appreciated, and everybody understood that it is the best performance of the Tara. After that, Basanti also present their song. Then after, Basanti was also appreciated by everyone in that auditorium. Everyone understood that both are equal at this time, so the jury member requested that both have to sing a song again to judge who is better. Everyone give the best blessing to both the contender. At that time, the next song was started by the Tara, as she shocked everyone when she started singing. That is the song of a Tamil, and that is very much surprising for everybody that Tara started a song in Tamil. That meaning was, child, you must be active, you should not be lazy, and everyone in the auditorium was surprised. Now finally, it was the time for the Basanti. As earlier, Tara's performance was appreciated by everyone in the auditorium. Now it's time for the Basanti. Next, again, the time to sing for the Basanti. And everybody was very much also surprised at the time when Basanti started singing, that she sang a Hindi song, that is Hum Honge Kamyab Ek Din. It is very much surprising for everybody that she is not able to speak English, but now she is singing a Hindi song, and it was also very much fabulous. Everyone appreciated also the song of Vasanti. Now it's time to declare the result, when Tara and Basanti both are asked by the jury members into the stage. And finally, one of them walked up the stage and announced, Tara and Basanti, you both sang beautifully, and both Tara and Basanti are the winners. The result are declared as both are the winners. Both the girls smiled, and their friendship shows that they both are the winners, and it is one of the greatest gift of the friendship that both are now the same as the friendship there are. So in this way the story became ended. and we understand what the importance of the friendship, and in which way in the friendship friends are trying to repay each other. Hope you understand the video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.